Good morning, guys. We'll get started in a minute. I'm just trying to sort this out. Cool, we're sorted. Just sending out the live link now. Give me a sec. Right. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon. We'll get started in a few minutes. Just having a look and going through some of the plays and seeing what other movies there are. Just add to my watch list, and then we'll get started. All right, what else is there? AVTX. This is looking good. AVTX, AVTX, AVTX. Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. If you can do me a favor and just like the stream when you join, I would greatly appreciate it. Right, let's see what's moving. Very nice pre-market considering tomorrow is the last day. Sorry, today because market's closed. Right, let's see. Pick. Very bullish setup. Very simple trade. I traded this 3 times today. I traded it. How did I trade this? Let me see in the Discord quickly. I traded it 3 times. Give me a sec so I can explain why I got in these trades. So yeah, this was one of them. It was in a falling wedge like this. This was the one setup I took. I even gave it, well, I gave this to you guys on Twitter as well. So this was it. Very standard, simple, very easy falling wedge. Demand zone. My entry was around here somewhere, then all the way up. And then I played it earlier as well. I can't remember where I did. And then after, all I did was simply what I did was once it broke out, I think I got it somewhere around here. I think 510 was my entry and I sold it like 530. And then all I did was I waited for it to break above, which it did. And then once it retested and I got this green candle close here, this is where I looked for my entry. I did hold through 8 AM candles, but I was just kind of banking on it going to 629, but I sold just before 629. AKAN. AKAN is a sub $1 play. It's currently running. I don't know the news or anything, unfortunately. So 4 hour. Now we can just look at what are the levels that its head looks like it's heading to. This is very clear. Area of resistance is here. So see if it can break above that level. Yes, it looks like it's breaking, but it needs to close above. Then you have around here. And then you have here. So these are your current levels for AKAN. I'm assuming the news dropped here and then it pulled back a bit to, yeah, below VWAP, and then obviously it came and broke above it. So this is your support around here, 0.227. So right now, closed above, high probability it will continue to around this 0.4 level. So yeah, that is that. AKBA, I like this setup. It is up 9% only, but let me see, 10-minute chart, it's coming down though. Just identify the trend. Trend is bearish. If it breaks above, entries. If it doesn't, then nothing, we just wait. This looks great. IBIO, I'm expecting a breakout on this. So yeah, EBO is looking nice. So EBO is possible breakout on this. I'm expecting it because it's a falling wedge. Let's see a breakout on this. Very strong setup this. Very strong setup. Pick, I'll get to pick. Pick is right here. So the reason why this was the level is because of this high on the 4 hour. If you go to the 4 hour chart, you can see this was high, and then obviously you have a lot of room to the upside. I have to look on a smaller time frame to see what other resistance. So we can use the 1 hour. So around here looks like next $7, and then just this wick up here. So these are kind of your level next key resistance levels. At the moment, this is the clear top mover. This is the one that looks the strongest at the moment. That does not mean buy it, does not mean full board it. I'm just letting you know that this is the current top mover. So looks like now it's broken above that level, it's retesting, and hopefully we can push up. So break, above, retest, and then push up. I'll leave this here and we can see what happens. If not, it's going to come back down into this new demand zone area. I'm going to use this whole candle here. So here you go. For pick. BCAN. So BCAN's on this trend line at the moment. Like this, if you can see it. But it doesn't look too great at the moment. I would personally just wait for this level. I scalped it earlier. I think like 155 to like 162 or something. Not even. Sorry, to 155 to 160 actually. Here is this trend here. So yeah, nothing at the moment. Personally, I would just wait for 170. I don't know why it is up there. Sizu, this is definitely on watch. I called this thing yesterday. It was a fantastic alert I gave. I'll probably drop that actual trade review I did, which I post with members on my top runners. I do it in a visual, on a visual basis so they can see. So it was just basically, this was my entry here like this, falling wedge. We entered literally on this candle wick close just before 11. And then from here, from my entry, I didn't hold all the way, I went to sleep, but from here was our entry. It ran basically 180%. Obviously, I didn't hold it. Some members did hold, obviously not to the top, but yeah, it was a very, very nice play. I know you guys on Twitter also got in, which was very nice to see. A lot of you guys made money and sent me some pictures and DMs, which is good to see. GCTK, I'll have a look now. This sector is extremely bullish. It looks like it's finding an area of resistance around here. I don't know what this is, around what, $9, $10. So it needs to close above $10. If not, it's going to reject and come down into this demand zone again, which is back on the trend line. So trend line, buy, 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 right? So just play the trend, play the trend. What else is there? X slow. So this, I have no idea. This is very difficult to tell what's going to happen. I can tell you that it's an area of support here, and then resistance is like here. So this right here is your no trade range. Crazy candle wicks. I'm personally not interested in this yet. I'm going to wait for at least 319. I don't really care for this play for now. I'm not in any rush to get in any plays, but this is a no trade zone right here. No point in trying to buy and sell within this. You're trying to scalp, make what, 5%? No, it's not worth it. So if you're trying to look for entries, I don't know, it's up to you what you decide, but maybe you can wait for 223 break above. It needs to close above there because every time it gets there, it rejects. So that's what I would personally do. But I'm waiting for 319, otherwise I'm not really too interested in it, to be honest. AVTX looks very solid. These were the levels here. It's getting this resistance now. I try to break above. Kind of a double top here. Whatever this level is, was 2350. So double top is a bearish chart pattern, meaning price should go down, which it does. Needs to break above this. Here you go. All right, so they're bearish at the moment. Support is around here. What is this level? 1990. We can use this. 1980. Here's your support, and then here's your next support down here. Obviously, the trend is bullish if you're looking at it. You can see it clear as day. But nothing at the moment. There's no setup for me personally. AKN, yeah, looks like it's trying to push. It's holding this level, so let's see. KTRA, nothing on this at the moment. Still coming down pretty hard. You're gonna have to wait for this one to at least decide what it wants to do. Meso, finally, this is moving. This is on the watch list today. It's finally broken out of that, so this looks very good. Meso is moving. Let me see this one. So all you have to do is mark the area of resistance. Resistance is around here, 395. I would just round that to $4. Psychological level, if it breaks above $4, you could look for entries if you want, but I will be waiting for open. Former runner has all the qualities to run again. So Meso, just wait for $4. Simple as that. If you're trying to enter now, you're gambling. So when I draw a chart like this and post on Twitter, it means you do not enter here. You have to wait for it to get above this. If it closes above like this, the candle closes above, then you can look for entries. There is a higher probability that the stock will go up. If you are going to try and buy a stock, right? If you're trying to buy it now and it wicks like this, therefore it will probably come down. Wait for confirmation. That will give you a higher probability and a higher chance of you actually making money in the market. Don't try and gamble because you will probably keep losing. Or you might as well go to the casino. Whatever you decide. BILI. BILI is only up 2%. Very choppy chart. I don't really know anything about this stock. I'm not too interested either, but yeah, nothing at the moment. Just a downtrend. A lot of gap ups, gap downs. Strange. Nothing on this, unfortunately. Lucid. Yeah, guys, like up the stream. Like. So Lucid, right now, there is nothing on this chart at the moment, unfortunately. Your next resistance is like around here, whatever this is, 310. Down the stock is cheap, $3, $2. Nothing on this at the moment, unfortunately. There is no setup on this. Yeah. Nothing on this, unfortunately. Yeah, I can't even chart this. I don't like this chart. It's weird. Maybe cup and handle. I don't know. Not really, actually. GCTS is down 25% now, but ran huge yesterday. Will it run again? Let me take out my crystal ball quickly and find out. Give me a minute. It says even my crystal ball doesn't know, unfortunately. So I don't know. Cannot help you on that, I'm afraid. I wish I could know, because then I would take out a bank loan, brother or sister. Trust me. I do not know. I can tell you by a technical analysis that it is obviously down 24% from yesterday. Since it ran 568% and it's only down 24%, that is not bad at all, right? But if you're looking on a technical basis, right, this is possible bullish, meaning there is a probability that it will go up again, yes. But it needs to hold this level. It needs to hold like $28. If it doesn't hold this level, then it's going to go down. So that is my analysis and my crystal ball. GCTK. GCTK has 0 volume, but the fact that it has broken above this 0.32, which is a big resistance level, there is now a higher probability that it will push to this level here, 0.36. But it needs someone to buy something, because it looks like you might be the only one in the stock at the moment, brother. Unfortunately, it doesn't have volume. It needs volume. Guys, just a reminder for those who joined, the stock market is closed tomorrow. That means that today will probably be very slow. Most people, traders, will take profits today, and they will probably take it, I would say, by lunchtime, and the market will probably pull back. There was news actually. Shit, I forgot. Does anyone have the news on that? Let me look at this. What was the news? It was supposed to be GDP or something. GDP news. US GDP news. The final rate accuracy comes in at a 3.4% above expectation. This officially marks 6 consecutive positive growth. Okay, that's good. That's good news, I guess. Yeah, Good Friday, correct. SPY didn't even do anything off it. All right, I thought the market would be a lot more different, but I guess not. Who's stock? Oh, pick. So pick, let's see what it does do. 5-minute chart, I don't know on this yet. Maybe bullish pennant. Here we go. Here is my pick chart, but at the moment, I don't know. It's in like mid-air. It's free flowing. It is free falling right now. Guys, like up the stream. Like up the stream. Like up the stream. Like up the stream. How many of you guys made money off that Sisu call yesterday? Sisu and what else? Which other players you guys make money on? Ibio, look what it's doing. It's like magic. BCAN, this is losing a lot of volume. If there was any kind of support level, let me look on a larger time frame to try and identify. I would say around here, this 10-minute demand zone. I don't really use a 10-minute or 15. I really just stick to 5-minute demand zone, but this is a 10-minute demand zone. 10-minute demand zone. Yeah, I know, pick 109-minute, was incorrect. So this is your BCAN. Maybe if it holds this level and it's open, it might be good entries. Under 133, I would cut it if it does go down there. Demand zone. So demand zone for BCAN, because if it comes down to there, there's a higher probability that it will push up if it goes into demand zone. Good Friday. Yes, very low pick on, very low. Yeah, this looks good. 83% up. Made by little course. 4 for 4 yesterday in the Discord. We had 1 play, 2 plays that were slow as hell, but guess what? We made money. And then Sisu run absolutely nuts as well, which is good. Hassie did amazing as well. So yeah, it was good yesterday. Good. I need to get better at holding my profits. I always sell most at like first target, my 5-7%. But it's more money to be made in the market today. BDRX is running, I don't know what news. Around here, what is this? 143. I'd use 145, this psychological level. This looks good. Former run as well. I'm assuming some phase 2 trials or phase 1 trials, whatever it's running for. But I don't care about the news. Well, I care that it's got news. I don't care about the news. The reason is because If there is news, it gives it volume like this, and that gives us ability to trade. So you see Caesar, you see what I'm saying? You need this to go up 19, whatever this level is, needs to go. 1980. CGC. I think CGC will continue to run. Well, maybe actually, I don't know. The markets needs a pullback at some point. And maybe today is the day. This one, can you guys see what's happening? Right? Can you see what's happening? It's coming down. Now it's at support and it's trying to go up. I still would not even consider any entries here. KTRA, maybe it's holding this demand zone here. It is a large demand zone, but if you want to, you can consider this a demand zone. Demand zone like this, demand zone. If I can type properly. Guys, if you have any other questions in regards to anything I post on Twitter or about any technicals that I do or something, feel free to ask. I don't mind sharing. KTRA is right here. This is it. AKAN. So AKAN's doing this break and retest now. Look here. See this? Look at this magic. Previous high. Here's your previous high, correct? This is your previous high. And it broke above it. And now it's retesting it. And now it's probably going to go. That is how easy trading is. Everybody get out alone. Take this trade. It's a joke, by the way. But yeah, this is my prediction on Akin. Let's see what she can do. My light is freaking me out. Right, here we go. Starting uptrend. AKBA. Yeah, AKBA is still downtrend at the moment. Nothing really on this. So you see this, look, candles are getting small, just indicates low volume. Oh yeah, ABO is a good play as well. I like this. See, look, guys, it's magic. It's like magic. Learn this falling wedge. It's like magic. Wow, magic. IBO. Yeah, this looks good. What's BDRX saying? Let me look at this. Let me see this. BDRX, I don't know, I'm not really too interested right now since it just came up. Pick, I don't know, it's a tough one to say. Maybe here. Previous high, it's holding this, see this? Look, previous high is now looking like support. If it breaks below, it's going to come down around to this demand zone. So look here, this is what I'm talking about, this thing here. This means that it's broken a high, which was previous resistance. So now it's acting as an area of support. That is it. That is how pick looks. So can we push on pick? So pre-market high, previous pre-market high became support now. Let's see. Yeah, if you did enter this trade, your stop loss would be below this candle, like below 590. That's how you could try and take this setup. I personally will not be taking it. MPW. Very strange looking chart. What on earth happened here on the left hand side? This is your resistance around here. What is this? $5. Right, let's say $5 is your resistance, your psychological level. Right now, it looks like it's coming down because now that it's broken, this was previous support. It broke below there, and this is broken below this candle. Therefore, it's probably going to come down. I don't know how much lower. I doubt it'll come all the way down here, but it doesn't look great at the moment, unfortunately. Sorry. I hope you're not in it. I hope. Beacon. Let me get. Oops, I forgot to chart without this chart. This is the demand zone we're waiting for. Did anyone remember this CEI chart? Check this out. So when that whole Atlas thing came out, when I was mentioning about like Zach Morris and them used to pump this play, it was like over here somewhere. And I mean, it didn't run because of that. It didn't actually run that day or following days after. But you can see, look, this was just a falling wedge on this 4-hour chart, right? So look, it did exactly what you expect here to here. I think it ran like 16% yesterday once it broke out. So there, it retested a little bit and then it pushed up. So it did exactly what I expected it to inside demand zone. Members, you know this deal here. But look, pretty split image just on a larger time frame, that's all. All right, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord. Current members, I have to do a quick intro video with you guys, so I will see you in there. I know we have one person that just joined, or yeah, one person, so welcome. I'll send out the Google Meets link now, and I will see you guys in there. Thanks for joining, guys. Remember, market is closed tomorrow. I will see you all on Monday.